Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're on the host machine now. Sign in with the Google account you'll use for access, then install Chrome Remote Desktop and accept permissions so the service can run. Once done, choose Set up Remote Access, name the computer clearly, and create a strong 6-digit PIN. This protects unattended connections. Make sure the host stays awake or has power settings adjusted so it won't sleep. These steps establish the reachable target and the secure key you'll use from the client. On your client device, sign into the same Google account, open Chrome Remote Desktop or the web app, and you'll see the host listed. Select it to start a session. When prompted, enter the 6-digit PIN you set earlier to authenticate the connection. Make sure the client's network allows outbound connections and that any firewall or antivirus permits the Chrome Remote Desktop process. Once connected, you can control the host, transfer files, and adjust resolution for smoother performance as needed. When you're done, close the session from the In-Session toolbar. The host remains configured for later access. If you can't see the host, first ensure both devices are online and signed into the same Google account, then check that the host's Chrome Remote Desktop service is running. If issues persist, restart the host computer, disable VPNs briefly, or reinstall the Chrome Remote Desktop app. This often clears permission or service errors. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart the Chrome Remote Desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.